Here we go. We got the right one this time.
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued this is a test message. This is a test tornado warning for all counties in central Indiana. This is a test message. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a test message. At 10:13 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is only a drill. This drill is part of Tornado and Severe Weather Awareness Week. Treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your emergency plans. Because of this test tornado warning, the normal weather radio weekly test scheduled on Wednesdays will not take place this week. Expected hazards include no severe weather was occurring or expected. Source: this is a test. The following impacts are expected. In a real tornado, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Even well-built homes may suffer significant damage. This is test. This is a test message. Locations impacted include all of central Indiana. This is a test message. Take this time to practice your tornado preparedness plans. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
What happens after it happens?